video I am going to explaining for 10th class children some important sums. Before going to explaining sums, I want to a small request and suggestion. What is the suggest for you means? So within 2 months you have examinations, public examinations are there. The AP government already announced the examination schedule also. So please all of you practice very carefully. So today onwards with one planning, all of you try to practice which subjects you have doubts are there. Please focus on the doubtful subjects and take care over teachers help also, take the teachers help also and take care about your studies. Thank you. So today in this video I am going to explaining for 10th class children 7th chapter. The name of the 7th chapter is coordinate geometry, one of the important chapter in mathematics. So in this chapter, one 4 marks question today I am going to explaining. Please watch it up to last. Okay, if you can like this video, please like this video and share my videos to others. The question is example number 9 from page number 167. Find a point on y-axis. Find a point on the y-axis. Here underline the on y-axis, which is equidistant from the both the points a 6, 5 and b minus 4, 3. Here we have to underline the word equidistant. That is important. All of you must underline that one. Example 9, one of the important 4 marks question. Nowadays examination paper pattern changed. So అందరూ కూడా దయచేసి గమనించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను. పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ మారింది. సో తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇద్దరు కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, హియర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ జస్ట్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఓన్లీ చేంజ్ ఫర్ తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్. సో దట్ ఆల్సో they also can listen carefully. So here first it is better to draw one line segment according to this kind of questions. AB line segment, and from this point equidistance one point is there, that is such as lies on y-axis. They told lies on y-axis points general form you know already, that is 0, y. So that's why that is the coordinates of P coordinates 0, y. And what about A coordinates already mentioned in the question 6, 5, and what about B coordinates means minus 4, 3. Okay students, like this we have to take it first of all, and then if you want to find out the coordinates of P, here we have to apply the distance formula. Equidistant what is there? If you want to find out the coordinates of P, we have to apply the distance formula. What is the distance formula? You know already. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here from A to B distance, from B to B distance equal. So that's why AP is equal to, first I am writing formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, and then here A coordinates you can take as x1 y1, P coordinates take as a x2 y2. So substitute. So x2 0 minus x1 6 whole square plus y2 is y, this is y only, minus y1 5 whole square. So 0 minus 6, how much? 0 minus 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, that is equal to AP. Next to BP, with respect to BP line segments. Now distance between BP is equal to, now in this case coordinates of B x1 y1, coordinates of P same, that is common point for both. So x2 y2 that is common. Formula again we tried actually already here their formula So now directly I am writing x2 minus x1. You see here numbers any minus there means first you can observe that one, then only write. Here one minus there in the formula, here one minus there, minus into minus plus, otherwise minus of minus 4 also you can write. So 0 plus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay, 0 plus 4 means 4 only. So some of the students they are confusing 0 plus 4. Some of the students they are writing as a 4. So 4 square, 0 plus 4, 4 only, but not 0. Y minus 3 whole square. So after that, what we can do means here, AP length, BP length equal already given in the question. So AP is equal to BP. Actually, here AP root is there, BP also root is there because of formula. In the formula root is there. We want to remove the root. For that we want to do squaring on both sides. So AP square is equal to BP square. If you can do AP square is equal to BP square, then automatically here roots will be removed. So deleted. Then root without root you can write. Without root means minus 6 whole square means how much? 36 plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to, here 4 square means 16 plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay students, now this implies 36, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So according to a minus b whole square, expand and write a square plus b plus 5 is there, 5 square minus 2 into a means y, b means 5. Like the same right hand side also, 16 plus, there also same formula, a minus b whole square apply. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Okay. Now see, both sides any same terms are there with same sign. So left hand side plus y square, right hand side also plus y square there, we can cancel. So without cancellation, that means by transposing also we can cancel. Plus y square becomes minus y square, then y square minus y square 0 will get, like that also we can do. After that, 36, 5 square means 25, 36 plus 25, 2 5s are 10y. Okay, is equal to 16, 3 square means 9, 16 plus 9 minus 2 3s are 6y. Okay, now 36 plus 25, how much? 61 minus 10y is equal to 16 plus 9, 25 minus 6y. Now y terms one side and constant terms one side we have to transpose. So minus 10y transpose the side, plus 25 transpose this side, minus 20y minus 6y plus 10y. Okay, so 61 minus 25, how much? 36 is equal to minus 6y plus 10y, 4y. We want to find out y value, so that's why coefficient 4 transpose to another side, then by 4 into 4 becomes by 4. So 4 table 36, 9 times cancel. So that's why y value how much came? 9. So the required point, required coordinates of P, required point P 0 comma y place you can write 9. Okay students, that is the point which is lies on y axis according to sum. Okay, one of the important question, please practice very carefully all of you. related to this model, one important sum also be there in the exercise 7.1. So practice very carefully. So from that you will get the good marks. If you can like this video, please like this video. If you can understood my channel, so please give the support, and please share my videos to others, your relatives and your neighbors, everything. Okay, thank you.